In this video, we will look at an example of advanced operation precedence. The goal is to evaluate the expression. In order to achieve this goal, we must work through each of the subgoals. The first subgoal is to determine the resultant data type of the expression. The second subgoal is to update the variables for any preoperators, noting any side effects. The third subgoal is to solve the arithmetic equation using operator precedence. In other words, determine the value of the expression. The fourth subgoal applies to assignment statements. If there is an assignment statement, is the left-hand side a variable? Check the data type of the copied value against the data type of the variable. And finally, the fifth subgoal, update the variables for post-operators, noting any side effects. Assuming the following given declarations, let's evaluate this statement. If the statement is invalid, give the reason. If the statement is valid, what is the value of the variable? Gamma equals delta divided by the quantity alpha plus beta mod alpha. Let's begin with subgoal 1. Determine the resultant data type of the expression. The expression is the right-hand side of the statement. Delta divided by the quantity alpha plus beta mod alpha. All of these variables were declared as integers, so all of the operations will also result in integer values. Subgoal 2 is not used in this example. Now we solve the arithmetic equation. Delta has a value of 3, alpha a value of 2, and beta a value of 1. Replacing the values, we get 3 divided by the quantity 2 plus 1 mod 2. Based on the order of operations, we evaluate the parentheses first. 2 plus 1 is 3. This gives us 3 divided by 3 mod 2. Division and modulus have the same precedence, so they are evaluated left to right. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Mod 2 equals 1. A reminder, mod gives you the remainder. If I have 1 apple and I take away all groups of 2 apples, how many apples do I have remaining? Only 1. Now we move on to the fourth subgoal. Is the left-hand side of the assignment statement a variable? Check the data type of the copied value against the data type of the variable. Gamma is on the left-hand side of the statement and is declared an integer. We already determined that the data type of the right-hand side was an integer. So yes, an integer can be assigned to an integer, and the value 1 is copied into gamma. Subgoal 5 is not used in this example. The statement is valid. The value 1 is assigned to the variable gamma.